This is Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma runs a grocery business. And of course, it is not easy. He has to face many challenges. He constantly faces difficulties while handling extremely varied products with different lifespan that complicates his ordering and inventory management. He is not aware of the changes in MRP which occurs frequently. He always gets stuck with the ever-changing MRP of multiple products. Due to slow billing, there is always long queues on his counter as billing of many items needs to be done every minute. Most of his stocks are dumped because he keeps on purchasing and selling new stocks without any awareness of the quantity of old stocks purchased earlier and are still unsold. He wants to promote his business, but he is unable to keep track of discounts and schemes. His new employees don't know which product is in which rack, and this frustrates his customers who are in queue and have already placed their orders. Mr. Sharma also finds it difficult to remember when he has to avail the offers from his distributors, which must be availed before a certain time limit. By the time he remembers, the time limit to avail that offer gets over. This causes loss to his business. Apart from this, Mr. Sharma also has to take care of reorder, purchase orders, expiry stock management, accounts, file GST returns, and many other tasks. Mr. Sharma realized that it's time to adapt his business to the latest technology. And that's when he found Mark ERP grocery retail software integrated with mobile apps. Mark ERP has transformed the way he used to run his business. Now, Mark enables him to manage his inventory MRP-wise, so he does not need to rely on memory and is able to sell the product at the current MRP. No matter how complicated his mixed inventory is, he doesn't need to worry. With the robust product search feature in Mark ERP, he can search a particular product on basis of category, company, product name, and through many other combinations. Now, his customers need not to wait in long queues as the billing is faster and much more efficient with barcode and POS billing. Using Mark's claims and statement feature, Mr. Sharma can easily keep track of the offers and free schemes that he has to avail from his distributors. This way, he does not have to rely on memory to remember that how much claim he needs to avail from which particular distributor. Using Mark's e-business app, his customers can easily place him orders. They can also keep track of the status of their order from billing to delivery. Mr. Sharma easily gets rid of dump and near expiry stock using Mark push sale feature. During billing at the side of the invoicing window, Mr. Sharma finds a list of slow-moving products, that is old inventory items, and near expiry items means items which are nearing their expiry dates, which differs from customer to customer whose ledger he has selected while billing, which the software smartly filters according to their purchase history. So in this way, Tom can suggest the right customer to purchase their required product. With Mark ERP software, he maintains his inventory rack-wise. So no matter how new or old his employees are, they can easily locate products from the rack without facing any difficulty. Mark ERP has multiple dump and near expiry product reports with which Mr. Sharma is always updated with the products which are old and products which are near their expiry. Mark ERP is the perfect solution for the retail grocery sector, which comes with some of these unique features. E-retail, collaborative commerce, suggested items, bulk update of rates MRP, import sheet, inventory tracking, point system or loyalty points, schemes and discounts, POS, touchscreen invoicing, synchronization with weighing scale, dispatch or home delivery management, real-time stock tracking, GST filings. Would you like to explore how Mark ERP can help you manage your business effectively?